Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your physics class in which we will discuss about the introductory electronics long question number 7 concerned to the logic gates. The question is define logic gates, describe the operation of AND or NAND and NOR gates by their symbols and truth tables. As we know that the logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system or any electronic circuitry. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one inputs and only one output. The relationship between the input and the output is based on the certain logic. Based on this logic gate are named as AND or NOT gate, etc. The basic logic gates, before we go into the depth of the logic gates, we must know about the importance of logic gate, that the proper understanding of the logic circuits is vital for today's electrical and computer engineers. These circuits are the key ingredients of computers and are also used in many other applications. The next step, that is the Boolean equation, is very much important for the logic circuits. Without this, we cannot understand the algebraical operation of a logic gate. The basic among all the gates is the AND gate. The simplified AND gate has two inputs and a single output. It will give a high output only if both of its inputs are high. Otherwise, for all of the combination of inputs, the output will be a low. The circuit symbol for the AND gate is shown. It is having two inputs A and B, and the output is as X is equal to A dot B. The logical symbol or the circuit diagram is shown, in which it is having two switches A and B. If both of the switches are on, means 0 0, then the bulb will be off. If one of the switch is on and the other is off, still the bulb will be off. The only condition when both of the switches are on, the bulb will be on. So, the Boolean equation of the AND gate can be written as X is equal to A dot B or X is equal to A into B. AND gate performs the logical multiplication of the inputs. The truth table for the AND gate is given. Here A and B. For B, to draw the truth table, we will alternate the single digit, that is 0 1 0 1. The second block will be the double of the first block, that is 0 0 1 1. The output is X is equal to A into B. If both of the inputs are 0, so it will give us a 0. If any one of the input is 0, it will give us a 0. Only when all of the inputs are 1 1, it will give an output of 1. So this is the logical operation of AND gate. The next gate is the OR gate. The simplified OR gate has two inputs and a single output. It will give a high output at X whenever any one of the input is high, and it will give a low output when all of the inputs are low. The Boolean equation for the AND gate can be written as X is equal to A plus B. The OR gate performs the logical addition of inputs, and the circuit symbol is shown in the slide, having the inputs A and B and the output as X is equal to A plus B. The logical diagram is shown, in which it is having the two switches. If any one of the switch is on, the bulb will be on, and it will be off for both of the inputs are off. The truth table for the OR gate is X is equal to A plus B is the Boolean equation. To alternate the first block, input B will be given as 0 1 0 1. and input A will be the double of the first column, that is 0 0 1 1. Now X is equal to A plus B. For the first combination for 0 0, when both of the inputs are low, the output will be a low. As the operation of addition is done in between the inputs, so 0 plus 0 will give us a 0. 0 plus 1 will give us a 1. 1 plus 0 will give us a 1, and 1 plus 1 will give a 1 at the output level. The next gate is the simplest among all the gates, that is the NOT gate. It is used to complement or invert a digital signal. It is also known as the inverter and has a single input and a single output. For a high input, it will give a low output, and for a low input, it will give a high output, because it only inverts the signal whatever they given at its input level. The Boolean equation for an inverter, written as x is equal to A bar, it may also be called as x is equal to not A. The circuit symbol is shown in the figure. A single input is given and the bubble is shown at the output level, which shows that the inversion of the input. So the Boolean equation is x is equal to A bar. It is having only a single input, so the possible combination will be only 2. The input A is 0, the output will be the inversion of 0, that is 1. If the input is 1, the output will be the inversion of 1, that is 0. The next gate is the NAND gate, which is the combination of AND plus NOT gate. Means the AND gate is inverted. The operation of NAND gate is the same as that of AND gate, except that its output is inverted. NAND gate is made from AND gate with an inverter at its output. The symbol is same as for AND gate with a bubble at its output. As shown in the figure, the logical symbol or the circuit symbol is same as that of AND gate, but having a bubble at the output, which shows that for the bar or the inversion of the resultant. So the Boolean equation for the NAND gate is x is equal to A dot B bar. A and B are multiplied and then the result will be inverted. The truth table is having the logic x is equal to A into B bar. For first column 0 1 0 1 and for second column 0 0 1 1. When the inputs are 0 0, they will be multiplied and will give us a 0, but the inversion of the 0 is 1. When the inputs are 1 0, they will be multiplied and will give us a 0, but the inversion of 0 is 1. 0 1 multiply will give us a 0, the inversion is 1. 1 1 will multiply and will give the answer 1, but the inversion of 1 is 0. It means that from the truth table we conclude that a NAND gate will give us a high output when any one of the input is low, and it will give us a low output when all of the inputs are high. Understand? The next gate is the NOR gate, which is the combination of OR gate and NOT gate. So the operation of NOR gate is the same as that of OR, except that its output is inverted. The Boolean equation for the OR gate is x is equal to A or B bar. May also be called as x equals not A or B. The output will be high when both of its inputs will be low. Otherwise, the output will be low for the rest of the input combination. The circuit symbol is shown in the figure, that is, it is having the two inputs, the same as that of OR gate, but the sign of a bubble at the output shows the inversion of the output. The truth table is 0 1 0 1 for option A, 0 0 1 1. When 0 0 is the input of gate, it will give us at the output that is 0, but the inversion of 0 is 1. 1 0 will give us a 1 because it is the addition in between the inputs. So 1 plus 0 will give us a 1, but the inversion will make it as 0. 0 1 will give us a 1, the inversion will make it as 0. 1 1 will give us the resultant 1, but the inversion of that one will be 0. So these were the logical operations of the NOR gate. Okay, with this the discussion of the gates is done. Inshallah, we will give another video on the long question number 5, that is CRO, which is much more important as that of logic gates. Till Allah Hafiz.